I came across this post, and this is what it says, and it's speaking from a woman's perspective. Our lady is the one who actually said this. It says, my husband's baby mom threw a birthday party for their 10-year-old daughter yesterday. The baby mom told my husband that I was not invited, so my husband did not go. Now, my husband's family, mostly unmarried women, she has in quotations, are bashing him for his decision to stand with me, and they are accusing him of being a bad father. His own mother said that I should have been understanding and not become upset if he had gone to the party without me. The baby mom and I have no blood. We have never been disrespectful to one another, have not had an argument or any dispute, but she told my husband that I was not welcome to the party because of my attitude. By the way, his daughter loves me, and I am known for being very kind and direct. Is my husband right for standing with me, or should he have left me behind to attend his daughter's party to satisfy the family he came from?